Here's an easy way to get your Papoose components assembled before putting your Enigma inside your Papoose. Pretend your buckle sleeve will go on the right side because that's where you have your buckle on your Enigma. What we're going to do is peel back the front side of the pistol pouch, insert the buckle sleeve into the buckle slot, open the Velcro sandwich, and clamp the buckle sleeve Velcro in there, turn it back right side out, and then we'll do the same thing on the belt sleeve side. Open that up, slide the belt sleeve through its slot, clamp it, and turn it right side out. And now your Enigma is ready to go inside.